Hello guys, welcome to another demo from Brands of Gears and Gadgets. Right now we have this very good looking, very light 19-in-1 tool Leatherman Free P2 made in USA. Needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, hardware cutters. Down here is a crimper. This part here can be replaced, purchased separately. Pocket clip. They say that it can be accessed by a single hand with the help of these magnets. To access the pliers, just press this, make a turn, that's it. Access the tools, press this part. You can access can opener, awl, ruler, wire stripper, metal and wood file. Okay. It is also equipped with spring action scissors, a combo knife, straight and serrated knife, Phillips bottle opener, package opener, flat screwdriver, medium screwdriver, small screwdriver. Okay, from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets Facebook page 0917 634 5916. Thank you.